Build the empire within. There comes a moment when life stops waiting for you to believe again. And instead, it whispers, remember. You've walked through fires that tried to erase your name. You faced silence so deep, it made you question if the light ever knew your voice. But listen, the fire never died. The strength never left. You are only gathering the courage to return. Every scar is scripture now. Every failure, a verse that led you here. So rise, not to prove, but to be. This isn't your comeback. This is your continuation. Because the day you remembered who you are, the universe remembered too. Empire within. Discipline. Fire. Legacy. Subscribe for daily motivation.